Your personality is more attractive than your appearance, especially when it comes to making friends and building lasting relationships. Key traits for an attractive personality include natural communication, a sense of humor, and confidence. Do your best to listen actively, speak sincerely, and be mindful of how you say things to avoid misunderstandings. Help others communicate and prioritize laughter to create a more engaging and delightful presence. Show enthusiasm. Be confident in your actions and speech, and avoid comparing yourself to others. Try to dress well, maintain good posture, and focus on the parts of your body you love. Differentiate between confidence and cockiness, and compliment others regularly. These tips can help you cultivate an attractive personality that draws others to you.